How to create a simple wipe effect using a solid color in DaVinci Resolve. To begin, I added a video to my timeline. Go to Effects panel and click on Generators. Drag and drop a solid color above your video in timeline and adjust its duration to match your video. Select the solid color and open up Inspector panel. Under Settings tab, change opacity to 50. Now click on Video Transitions and drag a center wipe transition into the start of the solid color. Select the transition and set ease to in and out. Hold down the Alt key and drag transition to the end of solid color to create a duplicate from it. Now click on Titles and drag a text in the above track. Position the text to start from the center of first transition and end from the center of second transition. Select the text and change its text properties to your likings. Click on Video Transitions and drag a cross dissolve to the start of the text and adjust its duration so it ends about the time when wipe transition ends. Hold down the Alt key and drag this transition to the end of text to create a duplicate from it. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.